So in today's video I'm going to talk about sales are what are sales are inconsistent even running ads. So this is the biggest problem every single day, 99% people facing this type of problem. So today I asked this question to AI. Let's see what type of result AI given us, what type of solution AI given us. So I'll explain to you. Just you need to watch the full video. By the end of the day you will understand everything. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, the problem: some days you get sales and some days nothing. Ads are running, traffics are coming, but revenue fails and random is stageful. Okay, so solution. Now like I hope you found like what the problem you're facing. Okay, let's work on the solution. So you don't need more ads, you need a clear offer. So this is the most important thing. You need clear offer structure that 99% people start. So if you can fix that, you might get more sales. Okay, one main product, one core benefit, one strong reason and to buy now. Okay, so people feel if people cannot feel urgency to buy your product, they will never buy. And then most of the video I say, if the customer coming to your website in 5 seconds, if they cannot identify the like reason why they will buy, they will never buy your product. So that's why your product page need to be very attention grabbing. And then whenever you create the show home page, product page, a checkout page and cart page, this is the most important thing, which is like feel people I need to buy, what problem you're solving. Whenever they will come to the product page, like you should not create the all product page kind of the same. So most of the people are getting like all product page are same. So for the one number product page, you should keep like all the product details under this product page. Like in Shopify, if you know, I'm not sure if you understand or not. So like most of the people actually create the website with the default product page. So you should create the specific template for the each product page. So if you are a store owner, you might not understand because you are not design Shopify. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, now let's move into the next one and what the problem. So I hope you found and problem and then found the solution. So let's move to the next problem. So you hired people but the result didn't improve. So problem: you hired a designer and an ad guy, so maybe even an agency, but sales stayed the same or dropped. Solution: you hired a execution without direction. First, define one goal: conversion, ABO or RAS. They then make every person work toward then single metrics. So I should not explain this thing because you already understand about it. So if I explain everything, then the video will be too long. So my goal is to finish this video in 2 or 3 minutes, because in 2 or 3 minutes I want to cover everything. Okay, let's move to the next problem number 3, which is like product page and looks good but doesn't convert. Okay, like looks good will never give you sales. Like a purpose, a reason will give you sales. Why people will buy? If you can set the reason why they need to buy, why your customer need to buy, they will buy your product. That is a pretty simple and straightforward math, man. Let's go to the next. Like as a solution, your product page explaining the product, not selling the outcome. So what result your customer will get, you need to sell this. Like as I am customer, okay, I have gone to a website. If I don't understand after buying this product what kind of benefit, what type of result, what type of outcome I will get, I will never get sales. So you need to understand this and lead with the problem you solve, like show proofs and reduce risks and then ask for the scale. So you need to reduce the risks. So if whenever I try to buy the product, if I feel I will get, whenever I don't like, I can return the product. So at this point I remove the risks from the customer. As a customer I remove risks. Okay, that's very important thing. Let's move to the number 4. So ads are getting click but no purchase. Okay, CTR decent, traffic is flowing but checkout is died. So that is the problem at your website, but your Facebook is getting traffic to your website, but by the end of the day you are not getting sales. That means your product page might be issue. Let's see AI what solution giving us. So AI is telling your ad promise and landing page messages are not aligned. Like your ad says see cash on delivery available, but your product page saying cash on delivery not available, or you did not mention, or there is no option to buy product with the cash on delivery. So that's the reason. That's why most of the 99% leave you from your website. Okay, let's move to the next problem number 5. You don't know what to fix. Problem: too many metrics, too many opinion and too many tools, and you feel stuck and confused. Fix. So how you can fix it? Fix in this order only: traffic quality and offer quality and product page conversion and checkout and friction, and never jump step. So at the end of the line I want to say this. So e-commerce growth is not about the doing more thing, it's about the fixing the right thing at the right time. So hope you found this video helpful. So if you really like this video, your task will be subscribe my channel, and you need to do only one comment, like in future what type of content you're looking for. And this type of short content, if you are looking every single day, just you need to comment, yes, I need this type of problem and solution every single day, this type of content I will create it for you. So that's why I would love to create content, I would love to help people. Just just creating the content, I love that, because creating content is, I'm not sure why I love that, but I really love that. Okay, so that's the main thing. So thank you for watching this video so far, and I'm working for my client work, and when I get little time, then I create the content, and I try to help people. Okay, that's the main thing. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.